watch me take this 12 by 12 shadow box, and I am going to create a beautiful shadow box that can be made as a gift for a new baby. Make sure I've got some loaded on the brush. I'm going to wipe it off. What we're going to start with is the very back to the shadow box. And the pieces I'm going to use on this one are these. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is attach this paper to the back of the frame. Okay, make sure it was correct side up. Done that before. Okay, what I want to do is find some pretty papers that are going to work with these. I'm going to pull out a couple of pages and we'll look at them and decide what we want to do. Ooh, see how much better this pops? Once we get some plain on top of this, I think this is going to look really sweet. And I think those are going to really pop off of there. So let me get some circles made and we'll start putting this together. Go over here in my Cricut design space. I've picked out a few different circles that I like. Okay, so I think I'm going to use these. This one is sitting on top of this for right now, but this is where I will put my H. So that'll be my centerpiece, and these will be out of the 3 different colors here. And I'm going to use this as like an underpiece that sticks out the corner. And then this here will be able to just go down wherever. But I want to be able to get a few things cut here, and we're going to just use these 3 different pieces. So I'm going to go over to the Cricut, and I'm going to get these cut. I'm going to make sure my glue is working. I think my fine tips are wearing out. So I'm going to have to probably buy a couple of new glue dispensers here. These are perfect for doing fine point, if you can see that. You can't get everywhere with the tape runner. You can't get everybody everywhere with your glue gun. Let's start our layout. So here's what all I cut out. It's just too funky pink to me. Funky pink. Okay, so let's get back to this. Probably put girl. Might be able to use that right there. That would be perfect. And then I put one of these straight across. around so I can see the top of it. I do want to make sure that this is on straight too. Super cute. All right, now let's get this back over here. Thunderstorms. We're going to turn the glue gun back on, and I'm going to more rain. All right, I'm gonna take and do a little I like that. I needed something here, and I could have done the same thing with this, but I might tip that with some pearls or something. I'm going to put this one down. Man, nothing's cooperating. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's do a little bit more in here. Maybe I can get some of that. It picked up something that was on the paper here from the other day. Okay. So far, this is what I've got. I did use the little embellishments that were for scrapbooking. Of course, we had that down. So far I've got all of this down, and I started putting a few pearls here and there, but I need to get her birth weight, her height, and what time she was born. So I need to get those written on hearts, whether I use these or not, but they'll end up kind of coming down the side, and then we'll embellish everything. I just need to spell out Hannah someplace, and I need to fix this. I think what we'll do is see if I can erase those little spots there. My hand was wet as I picked it up, and as I placed it down, I went down like this. So I ended up with that on there. So let me grab an eraser and see if that'll work. Sometimes it will, depending on the type of paper that you're using. Alrighty, here goes nothing. And it will take up a lot of stuff very well. So let me see if I can find a good edge on this. And if I can't, I can't. Let me figure something else out. It's not gonna go anywhere. And I could not have touched it last night because it was wet, and it would have just continued to smear the marker. So what I might do is just add a couple of little tiny dots of pearl to it. I'm trying to show you, like something like this, like it was meant to be. Hey, if it doesn't work, then we just okay. And then maybe what I'll do is I'll put pearls in through here. I'm pretty happy with it. If this was one this is for my granddaughter, but if this was one I was selling, I would probably take those back off and redo them. I mean, I can always go back over them with more hearts on top of them. So I'll look at that and decide later. What I was gonna do was see if we had any Scrabble letters that I could spell her name out with. Hey, you guys, just try all avenues here. See, I think these might. And I'm not liking it. I got this stacked this way, I've got these like this, and this just looks like it's doing the same thing. So, nope. Okay, well, I'm gonna think on this and I'm gonna see if I can find some other letters that would work better and look a little cuter. Just wanted to show you real quick what these are. These are a little bit larger than these, which is kind of nice. They come with the tip, the fine point, and the top, just like these did, and they come with a funnel. This is a little bow that I was able to save off of the little piece here that says it's a girl, it's a girl. So I'm gonna put that right up here. And I'm gonna try to get these letters on. Yeah, they don't feel very sticky to me. So I'm gonna put just a few little dots on here. That's more than I wanted. With this was awesome to be able to find that and have that here. It just kind of pops it. I like it even better than the first one because I had to use the Scrabble type letters and everything else was white and pink and everything. So I think the more you make, the more comfortable you'll get with it, and you'll be able to do some things that you didn't realize you could do. So I hope you like this video. Please make sure and like and subscribe, ring the bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. We will talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. Happy 4th of July.